So good morning, everybody. We are at 5 minutes to 7 in Cameron, Missouri, at Cameron Glass, and we are fixing to get this crack in the windshield fixed finally. So give me a second, turn the camera around, I'll show you how much it's grown from its original, and then we'll see what they do about it. So, I don't know if you can see this or not, this crack comes up. Right, it started out about here, spread up to here, and now it's all the way there. It's literally 50% across. So, they're going to fix it and satisfy the Ford recall, I believe, at the same time, so everybody's happy, and we'll have a new windshield. This is our new windshield, I take it. With all this nice electronics and everything on it.
A lot of dirt too. I don't know why we got dirt.
This is all the collision avoidance and all that stuff. Electronics
Yeah, that's
package.
what you're. Yeah.
They're pretty bright. They're decent. Those are from Harbor Freight, so they're not a real high dollar one. But they shine out into the ditches. So
Yeah.
we live out in the country outside of Polo. A lot of deer. So we'll get out on the gravel roads at night. I kick those on. Get where I can see the critters before they come running out in front of me.
Yeah. Really mainly just pulling it out, putting it back in.
And why that silly windshield costs $1,000?
Yeah.
So what you're seeing here in these next few seconds or minute or two or whatever of video is him getting the string fed through the between the windshield and the windshield frame. That's just like a really heavy nylon, I think it's nylon, probably cord. And up there in that top left corner you can just barely see the suction cup, and that's what all that string is tied up to. And he's got a piece there he'll put his drill on, you'll see in just a minute, and he'll start cranking on that, and it basically winches that string in, and as it does, it cuts the seal on the glass, and as that cuts off, you'll see it. You'll see him here in just a minute. Him and I think the lady is his mom. They'll just lift that windshield right out of there like it's nothing. Okay, so they're taking the safety stuff and the rear view mirror off right at this point before they pull the windshield out. And then that little plastic piece is kind of a guard, I guess. Probably protects you a little bit from the string if it was to break, and protects the dash and the windshield and stuff. So you'll see him there. He's going to put his drill on there in a second, and he's going to start tightening that string as soon as he gets his piece on there the way he wants it. But once he starts tightening that string, it takes a couple minutes, but it just goes around the windshield and cuts that seal, and out she comes. Okay, so the next step is to remove the old sealant. So he's got just a razor blade scraper there, and he's going to go around and scrape all that old sealant off. And once that is done, then you'll see him he'll go around and paint the primer that helps the new sealant adhere to the metal casing. Okay, so he finished scraping. Now he's just cleaning up a little bit. He likes to keep his mess cleaned up. You'll see he even reaches in there and washes the dash down, wipes the dash down a little bit where he thought he might have got something. Okay, so what you see him putting on there around the lip of the windshield there, or the housing for the windshield, is the primer that will help the sealant that he's going to squirt on there in a minute. It'll help that to adhere. Okay, so we're over here. We're working on the new windshield now. That's a very fancy caulk gun he's got, basically, and this is the new Ford-approved OEM grade sealant that was the issue with the recall. Was the windshield was poorly sealed. So if your windshield is not broken and they don't break it getting it out, they do not replace the windshield. They simply take it out, reseal it, and put the old one back. Now, mine was broken, so I get a new windshield out of this deal for a nice $250 insurance deductible. So big, flat, straight windshields, what can you do? They're going to break. Have a cheap a deductible as you can have, folks, because they will break. It took this one less than 3 months to get that start of that big crack. Okay, so that's basically it. He's got the windshield in. He's going to take his suction cups off, press it down there good. I didn't get any video. They do take it out for a test drive, checking wind noise and all that good kind of stuff. But at this point, all they're doing is cleaning it up.